Hello everyone. Are you wondering what bop means in its new sense? Let's explore. In its modern context, bop refers to someone who frequently posts provocative or attention-grabbing photos online. This usage of bop plays on the idea that these individuals are seeking likes, comments, and social media engagement by sharing content that is designed to stand out or attract attention. The term can have a slightly playful or critical tone, depending on how it's used, sometimes implying that the person is going out of their way to be noticed. It's a reflection of the social media culture where visual appeal and eye-catching posts are often rewarded with popularity. In this sense, bop highlights a behavior focused on cultivating a certain image or attracting a following online. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.